What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. But today we're just going on a little cruise. Oh man, got some fresh 93 in here, running real good. I just want to say thank you all again for this craziness that's happening. Videos are getting a lot of traction. I think I've gotten 10,000 views in a little under a month. I'll say thank you all, and if you're new, be sure to stick around. If you haven't seen my Chris Moore video or my 5,000 mile review, I'll be sure to put them in the cards on the side. This bike has woke up tremendously since that has been done. Let's leave 35 car lengths in front of you. That's a real good idea. If this wind could just chill out, I feel like my neck muscles have gained probably 5 pounds of muscle from my head being absolutely killed these past few weeks. I want y'all to go to the comment section below and let me know what kind of bike you got. I'm curious of what my subscribers or my viewers are driving. And if you don't have one, it's cool too. I understand what it's like to research and all that stuff. So what I didn't say in my last video is that the exhaust that you have, even if it's stock and you get the flash done, it's actually louder because it's got flaps inside that open and close with the throttle percentage. I thought that the Alpha T wasn't too loud, but it actually is pretty decent. I know some people aren't a huge fan of the pops, but for me, if I was dailying this bike, I would say no to the pops. But I love that I can do it by demand. I mean, this isn't my daily, so it's not a race bike. It's just a fun bike, just fun get around. But I think this is going to be just a show bike. Then I'm going to get like a Gsx-S 750 for racing or whatever. But I will say I went in with the intention at Daytona Bike Week when I test drove them that if I really liked it, I was going to trade my bike in. But to be honest with you, I don't think that that's the case anymore. I mean, I drove it, I loved it. It's a lot different than this. But this bike's just different. I mean, you don't see them. It's very fun. So many mods to do to it. But the Gsx-S one, I feel like everybody has one, which is fine. I don't mind that. I like having something a little different in my collection. If I get a Gsx-S to race, that's cool. I don't mind that. But I'd like to have something a little bit of a rare factor or just something different in general. Like, I'd like to get a cruiser just so I'm not forced to drive one bike. Having one bike's cool, but having a little bit of different variety is nice as well. Which I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Got the new logo on there. Shout out to my lovely fiance for that. So I said before that I need to get a Mac, and I finally got one. Thank God. So the new intro that I got, and on just the quality of the videos, I'm able to get them up 4K, which is awesome. Always wanted to do that since I started doing this. So like I said, I bought an iMac, and you know, life's all about taking a risk. You know, you'll never get anywhere if you just stay in your comfort zone. Just get out and just do something a little different. So I figured, why not take a little risk, get a $2,000 computer. I'm trying to step my game up, just learning the tricks and stuff. So if you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.